So, what that bird have told them? He had told them to be pretend like they are dead. So when he will see the dead birds, the hunter will throw them down on the ground, and it would be easy for him to climb down and collect the dead birds and take them home with him easily. So he also says them, when the last of us, means last bird, when he will throw them, now what they have to do, he was telling them to do. Okay, when the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. What he says to them, that when he will throw the last bird, now we have to get up and we must quickly fly away from there. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. When the hunter come now in the morning, what he sees that geese have trapped in the net. जो उसने जाल बिछाया था उसके अंदर geese जो थी वो फंस गई थी. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. They are all dead, वो कहता है अरे ये सब तो मर गए हैं. मटर करना मीन्स स्लोली बोलना, एकदम धीमी आवाज में अपने आप से जब बोलता है ना कोई, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मटर्ड. टू हिमसेल्फ he threw them out of the net one by one. उसने क्या किया? He started throwing the birds one by one down on the ground. The birds lay still. Still means they were not moving, just pretending that they are dead until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. When that hunter threw that last bird, now what these birds do? They all at once get up and flap their wings and just fly away from that place. The hunter was taken by surprise. तो हंटर तो जब ये देखता है तो वो देखता ही रह जाता है. From the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away. And what he said, that all the geese which he had thrown down now had got up and have fly very far from him. They were just flying and he was just watching them from the top of the ट्री. और वो क्या हुआ उसके साथ, जैसे उसने बर्ड्स लास्ट बर्ड फेंका तो सारे बर्ड एक साथ उड़ गए और अपने पंखों को फड़फड़ाते हुए वहाँ से वो जल्दी से उड़ने लग गए. और जो ये हंटर था वो ऊपर बैठ के सिर्फ देखता ही रह गया इन बर्ड को उड़ते हुए जाते हुए. Okay, so this reading part is also completed here. Today I am also sending you the notes which you have to write in your notebook, English class 1 notebook. Okay, so take care and stay safe, and bye.